Good afternoon, Scott Redler, T3 Live. Welcome to today's actual update on Apple. I feel like my phone was ringing off the hook because finally Apple had a move. And it really wasn't such a huge move. It was from like down $5 to up $5. But I think a lot of people are anticipating that Tim Cook might finally come out and say or distribute some of that cash hoard that they have over there, as well as maybe a buyback. I don't know exactly, what caused the move. All I know is that Apple's been trapped in a major downtrend, breaking every moving average, showing no commitment the entire way. So what's today? It's a bit of a start. You go to the chart here on Apple and you will see ever since the high here around 700, it's been done nothing but trapped in this downtrend all the way down to where we are down here. And it's still in this downtrend actually on a macro sense. We tried to play it a few different times. If you can remember what you could have seen, first of all, this was when it was trending above the 21-day, and this is when something changed. And no one knew what was going to happen here. But if you exited your long saying, you know what, something changed with Apple, I'm going to be flexible, perhaps you then tried it a few different times and saw that it went to the 50-day and broke, went to the trend line and broke, and then all of a sudden, went below the 200-day. But, here we are. We caught a few different trades along the way that's failed and continues to fail. And then today, finally, we have a little bit of a break. A little bit of a break. If you look at this intermediate trend, not the macro trend, which, we're talking about at around 435 to 437. I know this doesn't look like much. It just shows you that how much traders are looking to find some kind of move here. Imagine if you were an investor, caught what you're looking for. But anyway, it's a start. Because if you go look a little further back, you will see that 420 is a decent support, and we've talked about it. Let's show you real quickly, and hopefully we won't see that. But once again, when you're in a downtrend, the downtrend controls the motion until it changes. So if you go back one more time to the chart, which I am long the stock, but I've been long it before, and every time it showed no commitment. Last time, remember this, when it broke above 463, filled the gap and failed. Remember this time coming into 2013, broke similar, a little trend. You had a 2-day move, couldn't hold the gap and failed. So as of right now, we shall see what goes on. Nice action today. Let's hope that Tim Cook comes out and says something. Your next resistance is a 21-day. I would assume if he does come back with some kind of buyback or maybe the dividend, if it were to get above really this area, which is more of a macro break, that comes in right around 455, and then you have the previous high here. So at this particular point, Apple has so many obstacles, and I hope Tim wakes up, comes out, says something that investors want to hear, and doesn't just kind of poo-poo everything that's going on around him, from Ihorn to what's going on. Stock's very, it's like what, 35, 38% off the highs, maybe more. So it's time for him to come out and do something that I know everyone's like, oh, he has to run his company, blah blah blah. All I know is, the PE of the company is very cheap. No one really cares about that now. Everyone wants a catalyst. So, Tim, come out of your shell, do something here. Investors want you. Traders, most likely, if they play by their set of rules, I know mine is, if you break a small trend line and you go out near the highs of the day, you take it long. Let's hope that tomorrow we get rewarded, and hopefully if we do have a gap up, that it's a gap and go and builds, because I'm sure investors that have been holding their nose and going underwater are probably looking for some relief. It's a start. We'll see where it goes. Have a great night.
I'm Mark Sperling, Director of Trading with T3 Trading Group and contributor to T3 Live. Do you trade on your own, but you wish you enjoyed the benefits of a large trading floor? With the T3 Live virtual trading floor, we deliver that experience to you on your computer. On the VTF, you can follow the long and short positions of experienced professional traders like myself, Scott Redler, and others, and listen to our live radio stations as we navigate the markets. In addition, you get the added value of a large community of sophisticated and like-minded traders. Your membership to the virtual trading floor also includes access to our 2 very popular newsletter products, Off the Charts and the Price Point Sheet at no additional cost. In my opinion, joining the room will be the best trading decision you will ever make. I would like to invite you to begin your membership with a 7-day free trial. To get started, visit t3live.com and click on the Virtual Trading Floor tab. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the VTF.